G'day, mate. It is Joshua Warren here. I called you last week, Dean, and you were keen on a 5 to 10 minute video on some tips and tricks on how to improve your website. And here we are today. And the first thing that we want to go over is content. Google loves to see at least 1,500 words of content, or thereabouts. They like lots of keyword-rich content. Perfect way and opportunity for you as a business owner to really nail down on those keywords like exposed aggregate driveway or coloured concrete driveway, footpaths, patios, whatever you name it. You could even add it into here. So you've got one choice concrete patio. I'm just gonna, for explanation's sake, just gonna pretend that's a patio. So you could go one choice concrete patios. You could go pool concreting, exposed aggregate, all that sort of stuff. You can elaborate on it with those file names, and that will do you really good as well. That looks mad. I like that. Anyway, more keywords. I'll show you the competitor. This is the number one competitor in Lake Macquarie, All Set Concreting Solutions, and these guys have got a lot going on. They service from Sydney to Newcastle, so it's a bit, anyway, they come up. Anyway, they've got a lot of really content-rich word stuff on their page, mate, and they're really descriptive, so they really hit after those keywords. Entertainment areas, exposed aggregate, and they've all got the hyperlinks too. So all these little links too, they'll send them to other areas on their own website, or maybe even off page of another website. But yeah, anyway, so they've got content, and that's why they're coming up first on the organic section for sure. They've also, what's going on there? We don't want that. And so that brings me to the second thing that I want to talk about and share with you today. So the first thing was content. Second thing is backlinks. So what's a backlink? A backlink is anywhere where another website links back to you. All right, very easy explanation. This is how many backlinks you've currently got. Looking at this, domains.tntco.com. I am not even sure who that is. Maybe one choice. No 5. All right, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that domain is, but anyway, you've got 111, which is good. Anyway, this is your competitor, number one competitor, and Concreting Newcastle. They've got a Lake Macquarie. The Lake Macquarie page comes up quite a lot in the Lake Macquarie Concreting page search. And so they've got 504 backlinks. These guys have got 814 backlinks, and so maybe I'll just dial back a bit. This is Ahrefs. This tool that I'm using is called Ahrefs, and this helps me to get all that juicy information like the backlinks and the citations, which is your referring domains, and then clicking into these areas, we can go after. You can go after using these tools for yourself. You can go after these backlinks and copycat method it for yourself. With any of your top competitors pretty much. And so that will move me into my third thing that I want to talk about today, and that's a citation. What's a citation? A citation is anywhere your business, any website you can leave your business's details pretty much, like a classifieds and stuff like that. And by doing so, it will help your rank up here and also down here as well. And so all the local classifieds, mate, even some extended area classifieds and stuff, just go in and enter your business details in there. Just get a free listing in there and chuck your business name, your business address and your business number in there, and they will start becoming counted as citations for your website, mate. And then it will start growing from there. Some more backlinks will start coming, and then the organic keywords will start growing too, my friend. So with all that today, the three major things was content, backlinks, and citations. So the two easy things that you could do right now and today is improve the content on your page, and 2, start getting out there and listing your business details on a bunch of other websites. Lake Macquarie Business is one. It's a paid one, but it's a big one. And just anything, any sort of classifieds that you can find, man. Even Facebook has a place where you can add, go for a free citation. So, get into it, check it out. Mate, if you need any help with anything you've got in front of you, just shoot me a message, mate. Give me a call, whatever. My website is Lead Lords up here. And mate, feel free to jump on that, leave a review, whatever, or contact us there if you ever need to. It's me and my wife. But yeah, this is us, mate. So if you feel like checking us out, go for it. Anyway, you have a beautiful day, mate. Take it easy, Dino, and share this information with your partner who helped you build this, and see if you can get some more stuff happening in there so you can get ranking up nice and high. Now, the first thing I'd really, definitely get onto the Google My Business aspect of things, and get around this, because it makes a big difference. Me personally, I use this map pack a lot. One Choice Concreting. There you go. What number are you? Let's go back to the top. That's an ad up the top there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're in 13th place, which is great, which is awesome. So for this, citations and going after the Google reviews will help you big time. And this section here, man, if you can get up here, you're looking at about 60% of the click-through rates. So definitely worth your time. Anyways, mate, I'll leave you with that and take care. Bye-bye.